My official title is professor in the Department of Mathematics and Computer Science. It is Monday, October 28th at 6 p.m. in the American Indian Resource Center, and the title of the talk is The Scholarship of Supporting STEM Students. It's a little bigger project than you might think about at first. So there's a group called the National Science Foundation, and their job nationally is to support and promote math and science. And they do this in a variety of ways. One of the ways they do it is with scholarships to help students get through college. And we applied for one of those scholarships programs and were awarded it. And we had to look into the research of what makes STEM students successful. So I'm going to talk about the research behind what makes STEM students successful and the activities that we were required to do here at Bemidji State to help support our students and help them be successful in a STEM major through to graduation. So they found STEM students don't play well with others. They have trouble making connections to their classmates. They have trouble making connections to their faculty advisors, to their instructors. And these are things that other majors just seem to facilitate naturally, and it doesn't happen naturally for STEM students. So we did canoeing. We would get in canoes every year and go from Lake Plantagenet down to campus just for something fun. We attended volleyball games and basketball games and women's hockey games and men's hockey games and honors lectures. We did laser tag, lots of just fun stuff that doesn't seem like it would be a big thing, but the kids getting to spend that time together was really important. And I think too often we don't value that time together piece. So students of this talk should, I'm hoping, will get an understanding of what it takes to be successful in college and the steps they can take today to make sure that when graduation rolls around, they're ones walking across that stage and they have a good solid resume with letters of recommendation supporting them as they go off into their field. That planning ahead piece was really crucial for the students in the STEM program.